Hello, and welcome to another webinar of Debutify. My name is Marie, and I hope you're all excited because we're going to talk about something very important today, customer loyalty. Yeah, before we actually dive into that, let's recap of some things about our last webinar. In our last webinar, we talked about cart abandonment issues and how Debutify's conversion trigger add-ons can help with that. We talked about how they can help you increase your website's conversion rates and drive more sales. It was such an exciting topic, I just remember that, and I hope you've all implemented these add-ons on your website. But today we'll be diving into a topic that's equally important, Debutify's Loyalty Builder Add-Ons. Let me ask you a question, and I already know the answer. Have you guys heard of ghosting? Have you ever been on a date with someone and he or she never contacted you again? I know, awkward, right? Yeah, we know how that feels. And guess what? Your customers feel the same way when they purchase from your e-com store and you don't reach out to them again. Customer loyalty is essential to every e-com business, and we have some statistics to prove it. Did you know that 90% of customers are willing to buy from a business more than once? And that 93 of customers are more likely to come back if they had a good customer experience. Also, keeping a customer is way cheaper than acquisition, as what 82% of businesses agree. So it's time to give importance to your repeat customers and implement strategies to keep them. So let's dive into our presentation, into our webinar. But before anything else, if you're looking into strengthening your customer loyalty, one effective way to create your own is to create your own loyalty program. The three most common types of loyalty programs are point-based, cashback programs, and tiered loyalty programs. Each of these programs have their own benefits and perks, but they all work to incentivize customers to keep coming back to your store. Point-based loyalty programs are when your customers get points from when they purchase from you. They can use these for perks such as payments and discounts and so much more. Cashback programs are when you can give your customers a percentage of their money back. And tiered loyalty programs is when a customer gets a higher ranking and the more that they buy from you. And based on these tiers, they can have access to different perks. However, there's more to customer retention than just loyalty programs. Here are 5 quick and easy ways to strengthen your customer loyalty even further. First, offer discounts and incentives. Customers love to save money, so providing them with discounts and rewards after the purchase is a great way to keep them coming back for more. Second, don't stop engaging with your customers. Keep communicating with them through various channels. Email, social media, and maintaining your relationship to encourage them to have repeat purchases. Third, create an email strategy for your existing customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool to retain customers, and creating a strategy that focuses on customer retention can be an effective way to strengthen your customer loyalty. Number 4, let customers save the products that they like. And I'm going to talk more about this in the webinar. But by adding a wishlist feature on your e-com store, customers can save the products that they're interested in but are not yet ready to purchase. Finally, give your customers feedback. Finally, value your customers' feedback. Listening to your customers and implementing their suggestions can improve your e-com store and show them that their opinions matter to you. This will encourage them to keep coming back. By implementing these strategies, you can build strong relationships with your customers and increase customer loyalty, leading to a more successful e-com business. So now let's talk about how the Debutify Loyalty Builder add-ons can improve your customer loyalty. So if you're wondering how these loyalty builders can help you achieve that, let's dive deep. First, we have the newsletter pop-up add-on. Pop-ups are a great way to create your own loyalty program by offering incentives to customers when they leave their email address and agree to receive a newsletter from you. You can customize the pop-up's position, text, and icon just like what you see right now here. And even change the trigger settings to determine when the pop-up will appear. So for example, if a customer has her mouse wanting to leave the website, that's when the pop-up happens. Next, we have the wish list add-on. This add-on allows your customers to save the products that they're interested in, even if they don't intend to purchase right away. This is a great way to drive them back to your e-com store. And to have this add-on to your website, simply go to Theme Settings, select the Debutify Add-ons, and then Wishlist, just like what you see, this small heart over here. From there, you'll create a wishlist page on your Shopify dashboard, select the page wish template, and then customize it to your preference. Last but not least, we have the Order Feedback add-on. This add-on allows your customers to give you more feedback on your products. And by the way, aside from this add-on, we did launch our new reviews app, which you can also check out because it's a better way for you to manage and collect reviews all in one place. And basically, that's it for today's webinar. Overall, the Debutify Loyalty Builder add-ons are a great way to help you improve customer loyalty. Try them out and see how they can benefit your e-commerce store. Remember that a beautiful e-commerce theme is not enough to keep your customers. I mean, it's beautiful, sure, but is it functional? You need to pay attention to details and offer them a great experience that will make them want to come back. Debutify offers just that. And actually more. It's your profit optimization partner with more than 50 plus add-ons to help you achieve your goals and boost your customer loyalty. So if you're not yet using Debutify, try it out for free and start optimizing your website today. That's it for today's webinar, guys. Thank you again for joining me. Watch out for our next webinars, and I wish you all the best in your e-com journey. Bye!